30-mile-an-hour winds outside. My sign's probably gone. My flag.
Oh, I don't know. I looked for that. There's their door. Mike's or Marty's Noodle.
Uh-huh.
You can see that big banner in the distance. Kind of tells you what it's like. I'll tell you what, you got a bunch of grit in your mouth. In your eyes. Yeah, up here in the lights you can see how dusty it is.
Oh, I got crap in my eyes now.
Yeah.
Ugh.
How about that? You got it on your teeth yet?
When those gusts come through, it sounds like there's somebody running around on the roof.
I'm seeing it going in and out.
Well, that was a good push. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.